Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we are unboxing the popular Amazon basic ring light. I have seen this light all over social media and I am excited to see what's hype is all about. It looks so good. And anything else inside the box? No, nothing in it. So we started with the tripod. Tripod feels very sturdy. It's very good. And the ring light are also good at that price. And देखते हैं इसमें क्या है. I think it is a phone holder. Yeah, ये phone holder ही है. So क्वालिटी तो ठीक ही है phone holder की. तो इसे कनेक्ट करके देखते हैं इसमें. So मैं इसको इसमें कनेक्ट कर देता हूँ. It is flexible. एंड शायद ये इसमें कुछ ऐसे लगेगा. वेट, ओ आई गेट इट. सो ये शायद ट्राइपॉड स्टैंड का कुछ अलग से पेरिफेरल है. सो मैं इसको इसमें कनेक्ट कर देता हूँ और ये शायद कुछ ऐसे कनेक्ट हो जाएगा. एंड दैट इज स्टैंड. इट्स लुक वेरी स्टडी एंड नॉट फील चीप एट दैट प्राइस. सो वी कंटिन्यू. So I connect this in that like this. And the quality of wire is good. And wire so long. और long wire होनी भी चाहिए. And it is USB wire. So wire quality definitely impressive. तो मैं इसको रैप्टर में कनेक्ट करके देखता हूँ. तो ये मेरा रैप्टर है. चलो इसमें कनेक्ट करते हैं. तो मैंने इसको कनेक्ट कर लिया है. चलो इसको पावर में लगाते हैं एंड चेक हाउ इट्स एग्जैक्टली परफॉर्म. लेट्स सी हाउ इट्स एक्चुअली परफॉर्म. आई एम गोइंग टू एडजस्ट सेटिंग टू daylight and medium brightness. It's very good. And the remote control is super convenient. You look easily adjust the brightness and the color temperature without having to touch the light itself. Let's see more in this. The quality of the lights is excellent for photos and videos. I am really impressed. That's make a huge difference. The light is bright and even it's really help to eliminate shadows. It's doing very excellent at that price. When is the other competitor? फोन होल्डर को कुछ और भी अच्छा कर सकते थे लेकिन ठीक है ऐसे भी. The tripod is adjustable so you can position the light at the perfect height. And the phone holder is flexible so you can easily angle your phone for the best shot. Overall, I am very happy with the Amazon basic ring light. It is a high quality product and easy to use and very affordable. I highly recommend it to anyone who needs good lighting for photos and videos. Thank you for watching this video.